I'm Kelsey Goldfarb. I'm here with Sensible Nutrition and we are making homemade pizza today. So I'm going to show you real quick what we're going to be putting on this pizza. So we've got our yellow and green zucchini, we've got our yellow and red bell peppers, mushrooms, black olives, hearts of palm, which is really good, pineapple, and then we're going to throw cheese over that as well. So my helper is going to go ahead and wash their hands. 20 seconds here, and then we're going to go ahead and dive into making our dough. We're rolling the dough. One good way to get a really good crust is to add just a little bit of water while you roll that pizza dough on the ends. So I'm going to have my husband go ahead and put on all of the toppings that we have here. So first we're going to go ahead and do the sauce. Alright, so right on top, we are going to put some tofu, but here you can put on any type of protein you really enjoy. Ground meat is great. You can do chicken, you could do sausage, anything that you prefer. And then we'll go over and do our variety of colors here that we have. Alright, so we've got lots of different colors on top. We're spreading the cheese right over that pizza that we have. We're doing the low moisture mozzarella cheese, trying to make sure that everything sticks really well. So we'll just give it a nice covering. Our oven is ready, and now we've got our homemade pizza ready to go. We're going to pop in the oven for about 20 minutes, just so that our crust on the outside is nice and golden brown. Cheese is melted on top. And that is our homemade pizza. Hope you guys enjoy.